Hello guys, welcome. This is Abdulkarim from CodesideAcademy.com. Today we'll continue where we stopped last time on our class. So we stopped at the dashboard. So today we'll be talking about this at login required. We'll be talking about protected page and unprotected page. What do we mean by unprotected page? An unprotected page is a restricted page whereby you don't want your users to visit the page until users is logged in or authenticated, as I said earlier. So what is unprotected page? So we'll see these two pages and how we can make use of them. So I will start my server. If you are on Linux, if you are on Windows, you will be on your command prompt. Okay, so our server is active now. So I can just visit localhost port 80,000. Okay, so let me create a new account. Okay, before I create a new account, remember we have a route called dashboard. Okay, now this page, we can't access the page, we can't access dashboard until we log in. This is example of protected page. So let's create a new unprotected page. So we'll call this unprotect. I can spell protect. Okay, unprotect. We'll have div on protect. Okay, so once we have this unprotect page, now we can turn something generic. This page is unprotected. Alright. So let's visit unprotected page. So I've not logged in, my session is not active. Unprotect. Unprotect. Oh, I made a mistake. I need to put you here. Fine. Okay, now you can see I didn't log in and I can access this page. This page is unprotected. This is what we mean by unprotected page, a page that doesn't require user to log in before they can access the page. That's what we mean by unprotected page. So let's create a new protected page and let's fetch information from the current user, session. So first we'll go back to our dashboard. Let's have some code CSS here. So let me have some kind of content div. Is that line? Equals to a line. Let's just paint it. Let's just put it in a container, and let me use HTML tag. So to HTML4 tag to keep things easier. So let's call this place nav. Let's just have a list here, a list of profile. I have a link called profile. Okay, sorry, profile. Okay, so here we will have something again. Now we can have our logout here. Alright, so let me just copy this that we have here. And I'll remove this H1. Just have to do some basic design. Okay, so we want this to display the name of current user. So let's do this. So remember, we import something from here, from Flask-Login on our last class. We call this current user. So we'll see how we can make use of this current user in our HTML content. Okay, so the dashboard is a protected page. I'll create a new route called profile where we will display successfully logged in user information, just like your Facebook profile page. Oh, sorry about that. So we'll call this app.route profile. Okay, and let's have div profile. Okay, so let's just render a template. Return render template file.html. Okay, so we'll come to this, create profile.html. Okay, so let's have a list or a list. Username, this will be, let's just give it the H2 or H4. Username. This information will display the user information here. Let's just have italic. Then let's have something generic for now. Okay, H4 email. Okay, so let's have something generic, abdul@mail.com. Okay, so let's have for address. Okay, H4 address, still in italic. Oh, see this. Okay, so let's just have NIG Lagos. Fine. So if we visit /profile, if we visit dashboard now, I'll have to log in. I forgot my details. I think I'm accurate now. Fine. So I'm now in dashboard. It's saying welcome Abdulkarim. Remember, this is generic. We type this manually here in our dashboard. So we need to make this dynamic, whereby this will be displaying the current login from a current logged in user, and we have profile, we have logout. So I'll come here and just say /logout. It's not compulsory you use URL for, you can just type logout. Profile, okay, and then have logout. Okay, so if we reload now, you can visit this. Oh, I've mistakenly logged out, so let me quickly log in once again. Password is 111. Okay, so I'll click on profile. Now this is my profile, this is my username. All this is generic, so we need to make this dynamic. This will be coming from our session. So how do we do this? We have import current user from here in our backend, so we need to use this in our Ginger. So to be able to do this, first we need to remove this generic content. Okay, so call to this curly bracket here, then we'll say current user. So current _ user, I made a mistake. So current _ user dot name. So we need to make sure this is related, this is tally, this is the same as what we have in our database. So we need to be very careful. So we have name, so we are fetching the information of the current user in our session here. So the name of the current logged in user will be displayed here. So let me go back to dashboard and let me reload. Now you can see welcome Abdulkarim Okarim. So this is the name of the person or the current user. So now we need to do the same for the profile. So all we have to do is to come to the profile, we calling the two curly brackets in current user dot name. Do the same thing here. Current user dot email. Oh, sorry, email, and we do the same thing here. Current user dot address. Okay, so let's just reload this page. Wow, now we have this information is now dynamic if somebody else sign up. Okay, so let me go back to the dashboard and let me log out. So now let's visit profile. Remember, now we can still access profile, but it's not displaying our information because we don't have any session active in our browser. So now we need to protect profile because we can't allow non-logged in, non-authenticated user to be able to access profile without logged in. So we'll come to our main.py here, then we'll navigate to profile. Then all we have to do, we just call a decorator from here, this function that we import here, login required. So we just come here and say at login required. Okay, and that's all. So now if I should go back to my code, to my profile here and reload, now you can see it's telling me to log in before I can access profile. Okay, so that is it for this class, this is how to fetch information from user session. Oh, before we close, let's quickly demonstrate. Let me try and sign up with different account. Okay, so let me call this programmer Kareem. My email address will be kingkareem at programmer.com. That's my email. My password will be 111, and my address will be Abuja, Nigeria. Okay, so let's sign up. So we have signed up. So let's log in. I forgot the I forgot the email that I use. Fine, so since I forgot, let's quickly get the email. Let's query the database from here. Okay, so let's go Python 3 and we'll say from main import users, the name of our table, of our database, of our model. So let's look through the entire table called user. For users in users, okay, so print users dot email. Okay, saying I supposed to, let's do it again. Let's have a variable. I made a mistake. I'll just say users list equals to users dot querying dot haul. This will query everything in our database. This will query everything in table called users. We have a model here, a database model here called user. So we want to query every information here. Okay. So okay, since this will be a list, so we have to loop through this. So I'll say for users in users on the bar list. Okay, so I'll say print users dot email. Okay, now you can see I'm able to fetch the information that I have. So this is the email I used to sign up. So I'll copy it and paste it here. My password is 111. Let me log in. Oh, the server is down, so I need to restart the server. Okay, just Python 3 main.py. Alright, so I will just restart the server. Let me reload the page. My password is 111. Okay, now you can say welcome to the programmer Kareem. That's very funny. Alright, this is our dashboard, and let me go to my profile. You can see it populates with my information, my accurate information that I used to sign up. This information is coming from my current logged in session. So now I can log out and I can go to the home page. So it is a basic web app, and on our next class we'll be talking about how to build a admin with an extension called Flask Admin, and how we can do a CRUD operation with it. So see you guys in the next class. Have a wonderful day, and if you have any question on this course, just comment down below. And if you want a private class or a private session, or you are having bugs, or you have a project you are working on, you need help on it, just click the contact us button on the right side, and we'll get back to you. And try to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you can do that. And see you guys in the next class. Have a wonderful day.